On this important day for equality in Europe, when the new directives have been published, we are happy to host in Ljubljana, Slovenia, at Slovenian equality body, the meeting of communicators of other equality bodies in Europe. Equineta, a network of European equality bodies, is organizing a seminar on artificial intelligence and discrimination. So it's really great to have colleagues from all around Europe here and discuss the issues that we all care for. Equality in European Union.
We are around 20 communicators from European equality bodies visiting Slovenian equality body. We have been discussing artificial intelligence and how to use it to tell people about discrimination and their rights. I met the head of Slovenian equality body right when the equality body was founded. And I have to say that I'm super impressed by the work that you have been doing during these years.
I think over the time people are getting more aware that there are different reasons for discrimination and that they can report even the cases of discrimination based on age or based on gender. Being a parent could be a base of discrimination.
If you want to make people understand complex issues, you need to give them examples that they can relate to, that are about their own lives and their experience, and also use language, everyday language that people understand, not legal language, which is very difficult.
Communication is very important so that the people understand the issues that we can investigate and make proposals for changes in the government and for resolution of their own individual problems. It is very important that they understand what is provided by the law so that they seek resolution to their problem.
There are certain forbidden areas that you are not supposed to discriminate by gender, by origin or by sexual orientation, by age, and the areas of work, schooling, healthcare. And sometimes the most difficult task is to explain to people that sometimes we just can't deal with their case because not every unfairness is a discrimination by law.
The equality bodies does not take sides. It uses the law as the basis, and on the basis of that, investigate a case, sees if there is a violation of the law, and if there is such violation, then it seeks the redress for the benefit of the victim or the change of the law so that the society in general can move into a positive direction.